Welcome, my name is Max Hackman, and today I'm going to show you how to locate the general knowledge test using one of the library's databases. After you get to the library's webpage, scroll down to the database tab on the right hand side, select that. This will take us to an A to Z alphabetical listing of all of our databases. The database we're looking for is called PrepStep for colleges. It should be the first one to jump up there. I've already logged in. If you have any trouble logging in, please let us know. At the library, we can always help you with that. Once we get to the main page here, we'll jump right in onto the main search bar. I've already entered general knowledge test in. You'll get a number of different options. You can kind of limit them up here at the top, and then you can also see, depending which one you're looking for, that they're pretty easily marked. But you'll also notice that the sign in and register to begin needs to happen before you can actually use one of the tests. So we'll select that. If you need to register, it's over here to the right hand side. I have already registered, so I will log in now. Just a second here while it loads. Once you sign in, you'll see you'll get two new options here. You can either print the test off in a PDF format, or you can start the test to take it in a digital format here online. Once you select start the test, we're going to go to a starting page. It's kind of more of a landing page, and it'll give you some background information and a number of different options that you have, different types of ways to take the practice test. Give it a second here to fully load. And as you can see, you get some background information about the test, what it's like, what you're going to experience here. You can see over here on the right hand side the test details. It's 45 minutes, or it's 45 questions, 100 minutes. There's 3 different modes you can take it in depending on where you're at in the testing process. And then below here is, again, more information about how to answer the questions that you're being asked. If you have any questions about the test, please reach out either to the ASC, the Writing Center, or the library. We are all here to help, and we look forward to seeing you.